Shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the DJI Mic Mini on transmitter 2. It's a lightweight mic without a vibration or 32-bit float. Does its job. I did not have to set up the Pro mic gain. It went directly to -8 dB level, and something that DJI should take care of, separating microphones and adjusting it correctly, because you could do different things with different mics on the camera. I guess DJI feels that both mics will share the same gain level. That is, it's a microphone that doesn't have a 3.5 or 2.5 millimeter jack port. It's a standalone mic that you could put anywhere imaginable. In a helmet, put it on your chest, stick it on you, and put it on the camera, walk around, do whatever you like. All the videos before this starting out was -8 dB, no noise reduction. Now we got noise reduction on low. I got the mic a while ago. I got the transmitter receiver kit, and I'm looking for a charging case, a charging station, not a case, a station that you will put it on. And the original one they give just with the standalone, they don't give you anything with the actual receiver. So they give you a partial kit. And the receiver, you just have to go on your own and find some way to plug it in. DJI probably thought of offering a full kit like that, but they wanted you to go after the whole shebang and caboodle. That will be the charging case, transmitter, twos, and a receiver. So 2 transmitters, receiver, and everything. And again, you had to purchase as an option for iOS smartphone. They only gave a USB-C cable dongle, a USB dongle, that is, not a cable. You want it all? Get it all. You don't want it all? That's what you get. Now, this has an LED light. It's covered up almost stealth mode by the mic muff. It is what it is, man. They could have made it a little lower, away from. They didn't. The windscreen protector. I used the Mic Mini for the Insta360 One X4. Right here, I'm using it as a remote, and it works nicely. But on the One X4, for the mic, it's sporadic, separation sound, clipping, as people call. It's and talking doesn't sound great when you're not that far from the camera. And that's Bluetooth, not DJI, Insta. So yeah, microphones do a great job. You got Boya out there. You got many other companies out there. You have Rode that started to make a very small microphone, but started for the smartphone. And I'm just happy that I got the extra mic. I could put the 2 on and put one on my right shoulder, my left shoulder. Yeah, this is my left, that's my right. And get an actual true stereo sound. Well, with microphones, you don't get true stereo sound. You get one microphone that puts sound on left track and right track. And omnidirectional, it'll pick up, but it won't give you that true airplane passing a car or train passing sound as you hear. I don't hear it. You must hear it. Well, I had my walk, I had my talk, I had my share, I had my fun. Well, I did have a lot of fun, and I had a lot of fun with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. I just didn't want to be there setting things up and doing things. And with the audio, with the DJI Mic Mini and DJI Mic 2, it just did not satisfy my taste. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I started out talking about the DJI Mic Mini, and I hope you enjoy the sounds of it. The only thing I didn't do was give you an example right now of the noise reduction on high, because I know low is the way to go. And on that note, have a great day. I'm Fish.